Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to quickly build YouTube Shorts with ElevenLabs AI. So let's begin. First that you need to do is go to the ElevenLabs AI website and sign up. So after that, you can use ChatGPT or any AI to make you a script about anything. For me, I'll try to use anime, the positive impacts of anime to teenagers. And then, go back to 11 Labs and paste this. After that, click on the download icon. After you downloaded it, go to Pictory AI and also sign up. You're gonna use Pictory AI to generate videos regarding to the text you input. Then, click proceed. Now you just need to wait for video to generate. After that, you need to go to the audio section and click on my uploads. Here, you need to drop the files that you downloaded earlier, which is the voiceover. And after editing, you now have a finished product. And that's everything for this video. If it helped, please leave a like and subscribe.